welcome to the second lesson in week 1 of our free online Microsoft Excel class. Today we'll be looking at the visual hierarchy in Excel, understanding columns, rows, and cells, and also how they work together. Now, when you open your Excel sheet, you will see different types of templates as seen in the video. We have the designed and the blank template. So I'll be working with the blank templates. I click on it, it takes me right here to the entire workspace. Now we have what we call ribbon. Is the top part of an Excel sheet. It is where all our tools are programmed. Now we also have different types of tools. As you click the tab, you will see a drop down. You can see this one now is zoom for me to make the page big. So I've increased it to 200. Now under home, you will see different types of tools. Now we have the font color. We have so many of them. We have the merge center or merge corner. So this is how it works. Now I'll be using okay, let's talk about the sheets. Look at the sheets. Now, each workbook has a sheet. You can also increase it. You can see the positive sign now. Let's go to the formula. Whenever you type your formula, you see the cursor just moved out where you would type. Now, remember we are talking about the rows. So I will be using a shape to illustrate the movements of rows and columns. So I go to insert. Under insert, I click on the shapes. Now I've picked the arrow. Now this is how your rows work. Your rows run horizontally, left to right. You see, so I picked it, then I click Ctrl D to duplicate the shape instead of picking it one after the other. And I also arrange them. So right now you are seeing the movement. This is how rows. Whenever you enter data, you should have it in mind that rows run horizontally and they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. All right. So this is how rows move. So I'm trying to arrange it so that you can see the move. So I'm moving the pointer to exactly on the left corner of it. Okay. So now I colored it. I pick a color just to beautify it. You understand? All right. So now I will do the same thing with column. So I go to insert, click on shapes. There are a lot of shapes. I pick an arrow shape. Okay, so now I click on the entire area, drag it. Now this is the columns. Columns run vertically up and down. You can see the movement of it. They are labeled with letters A, B, C, and so on. You understand now? So this is how it is. So I click and I drag it. I'm just showing you the movement of columns in Excel sheets. So this is what you should understand in Excel. They are very, very important to know. All right. So now the next thing again, we can also use example to illustrate how they work. You can type in row 1, you type names. Row 2, you write the name of the person that you want, or the persons that you can write Albert, you can write John. You understand? Now on the column B1, you write age. Now you write the number of age that the person is. You see how it works. Now I want to format my work. I don't want to make it look scattered. I want to move everything to the left hand side. So I've just clicked. I selected the area I want to move to left. So I click on it and I click left. So this is how it works. You can also beautify it, put a font color, then you can also bold it to be visible. It depends on the size of the font that you want, and you can also expand your cells. Now let's talk about the cells. The cells are the rectangular boxes you see here. So now you can also say that a cell is where a row and a column meet or intersect. You can see I am beautifying what I just typed. You can select the entire range, then you bold, add font color, and that is it. That's the end of the second lesson in week 1. Thank you.